Welcome to the channel. Today we'll determine whether when is a relative pronoun or not, right? Okay, look at these words relative pronouns, right? First of all, pronoun, then relative. Relative pronoun function two things, right? One is it will function as normal pronoun plus it will start a relative clause, right? Relative clause gives extra information about a noun, right? And relative clause must come after a noun. Let me give you some example or definition, right? Relative pronoun, right? A pronoun that introduces a clause, relative clause mainly, modifying an antecedent. For example, look at this sentence. The man who would be king. Look at here. Here, who is a relative pronoun. First, consider pronoun. Who is a pronoun because it is indicating the noun man. We know that pronoun indicate or replace a noun. Secondly, who would be king is a relative clause. That is, this pronoun is introducing a relative clause. And who would be a king, this relative clause is giving extra information about the noun man, right? So, who is here is a relative pronoun. Now, let me give you the answer of this question. Is when a relative pronoun? The answer is yes. When is a relative pronoun. Okay. Look at this sentence. That was the week when we booked our holiday. Look at here. Here, when is indicating the noun week, right? Here, week is a noun because we know that structure of noun phrase is determiner plus noun. Here, determiner is the and week is a noun, right? So, the week, determiners plus noun is a noun phrase. When is a pronoun because it is indicating the noun week, right? Or it is, we are using when instead of week. And when is a part of this relative clause. That is, when is starting the relative clause when booked our holiday, right? That is, if you write this sentence like this, we booked our holidays in that week, right? We are so that was the week when we booked our holiday. This when is a pronoun and it is starting a relative clause. That is why it is a relative pronoun. Okay, let me take another example, right? Look at here. The parcel arrived in the post at 11 a.m., right? when I was still at work. This when is indicating the noun 11 am. 11 am is a noun because it is the object of the preposition at. So we know that only pronoun can indicate a noun. That is why when is a pronoun. Plus when is uh, introducing a relative clause, which is when I was still at work, right? Adverbial. So I will have a blog post. You can read that blog post from the description box of this video. So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.